Hello everybody.
Hello.
So we're doing the Tour de Moel Famau and we're kicking off in Cilcain, and we're here in Cilcain churchyard, which is very nice, lots of tombstones and a spire and everything, and we are going to just slowly, we're starting off going south, right?
West apparently.
West, okay, so we're starting off going westward down a small west lane and then over the top of Moel Famau, down round the other side, and then the tour completes.
From the church, take the narrow lane going, going south on the west side of the church.
So here we go. We're in Cilcain and we're going to do a tour to Moel Famau. So Moel Famau's here. Moel Famau's here. Moel Famau. So I think we're going to start off by walking down here to Moel Famau and then around and back to Cilcain. I've never climbed Moel Famau from this side before, so it should be a whole new experience.
Good point.
And apparently it's really dodgy. Look at that barn.
Look at everything.
Barn falls down.
Oh well.
Dilapidated.
Yeah. No, but the hill. I mean, just look at the overgrown fields and stuff. Whoa.
Go on ahead.
Alright, we did indeed walk across two fields.
I have the instructions written down in word form.
I have a map.
Present to myself.
Yeah, that's a good one actually.
Let me go past, please.
Okay.
Yay!
Look, it's a conker tree.
Yeah.
Little baby conkers. Wow. Okay. Oh, that's quite eye-catching. That's a fine old tree there. I rather like this tree, Lynn. I rather like the tree. Wow, it's quite an eyeful, isn't it?
Oh, gorgeous.
Guidebook said this is just a climb straight to the top, and it's a lot steeper than the other side. I think it's about at least twice as steep. Anyway, we shall persevere until a funny little castle on top. Oh, loggerheads that way.
Yeah. I've been on this.
beef bourguignon?
Yeah.
What about the breakfasts?
Oh! See, a sheep that can even get over the wall.
So that's
So Moel Arthur is 1 mile.
Llangainhaf.
Okay, so we're not going the same again. We're going less.
Well, it does say Cilcain 2 miles that way, but we're actually walking around the rest of the walk. So there you go.
Around the back
There it says Moel Arthur 1 mile.
Yeah, so it's actually not that far.
Okay.
Why do people go miles here?
How do they?
No, why?
Because it's nice.
What, miles instead of kilometres?
Yeah.
Because we still have miles. We just do. We're still the miles people.
Kilometres in Europe. That's one thing we did not share with them, plus the euro.
I don't know.
That looks like Snowdonia, all of those bits.
Yeah, I'm going to say that's Snowdonia because it's just bumpier.
It's like way loads more hilly.
There you go.
That.
So I don't know which one Snowdon is. I'll find out later.
Yeah.
But I think that series of lumps in the distance, because you can't often see it. The visibility is usually awful.
Yeah.
Which it's not perfect today. But
The Iron Age fort.
Iron or Bronze Age fort.
The Iron Age peoples were
microphone's good enough, but the sheep are really giving it loads in the distance over there. It'd be nice if it could pick up the sheep.
But then I guess they'd have all been dead by they were 30 anyway, so they've all been pretty young and fit.
No, some of them did live more longer than that.
Have you not seen the series Vikings?
Yeah, I can watch a series on Vikings and still not like Vikings.
Yeah, cows and sheep's share.
So we have to do a bit of route finding back there, but we're pretty sure this is it. And that should be Cilcain over there. That's Cilcain village, and we're on our way back down there now. So this bit of the Moel Famau walk is obviously a bit sketchy, because we're pretty sure this is right. But yeah, this is right, you reckon, Lynn? I think so.
Well, I mean, if it's, yeah, I think so. And they've still got their babies with them, that's good.
Oh, I missed that. And a windmill.
Baby
Look.
moose, baby moose.
Small cows. The future is bright, young cow. Do not fear. I can run.
Which is okay, but walking down these lanes is amazing.